What's up YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in another video for the Mark V R32. Currently working on doing the Ohlins suspension, at least the rears for the meantime. Still waiting on some bolts that I had ordered and didn't come with the kit, so hence the reason I can't do the whole urethane bushings as we discussed and all that crazy stuff. And I'm still going to reuse the OEM springs till then, but the reason I'm upgrading is because these things are super sharp. Look at that, it's like no rebound. So yeah, it's just wear and tear, and they serve their purpose. So if you guys need that part number for OEM, there she is right there. Other than that, upgrading to the ECS heavy duty strut mount toppers, and we'll see how those work out with the current setup. Like I said, I'm just doing it just to get it point A to point B, taking advantage of the weather, and pretty much going from there. So if you guys have any questions,